I am Dr. Sadhna Trivedi from Faculty of Juridical Sciences, Rama University. Today I am going to present my topic motivation that is included in the consumer behavior. There are what is motivation firstly? So in motivation there are some motives in consumer behavior that those motives decide the behavior of the consumer in the marketplace. So what is the motivation? Motivation refers to the internal driving force that activates consumer behavior. There are some motives in consumer who decide who take the decision what we have to take, we have to decide which product we have to take, etc. It explains why consumers behave in a particular manner, and these type of motives decides in marketplace the consumer in which manner the consumer behaves. Motivation arises due to unmet needs and desires. When there are unmet needs and desires, then a consumer needs to push for the motivation. What is motivation in consumer behavior? Motivation in consumer behavior refers to the internal psychological processes that drives individual to take certain actions, make specific purchasing decision, and engage with brands. When there are different type of motivated particulars in the individuals, they decide this type of, and by that particular they decide this type of actions have to take for the purchasing decisions and engage with different type of brands. And there are different type of factors also which we decides which we take further. Understanding consumer motivation is essential for businesses, and it helps them identify the factors that influences consumer behavior. So we are talking after that the different type of factors that decides the motivation in consumer behavior. The main theory, there are different type of theories of motivation to decide the behavior of the consumer, but the main theory of the motivation is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. There are different type of hierarchy of needs. Firstly, psychological needs. Psychological needs are those needs which are basic, which included in the basic need. Firstly, food, water, warmth, rest, etc. After that, safety need, that is safety or security need, as we want medical treatment, etc. So firstly we have to go to for the medical necessities. After that, belongingness and love. Firstly, when we live with the different type of people, our colleagues, our family members, etc., then for those reasons we motivate, yeah, any consumer motivates. After that, esteem needs means prestige, feelings of accomplishment that we have to accomplish for us only. And after that, and last one is self-actualization, achieving one's full potential, including we can say what we are and who I am, etc. After that, factors influencing consumer behavior. There are different type of factors including consumer behavior. First is need or want. There are some needs and some wants in the consumers, and when consumer decide to purchase any type of product, then they have some needs and want. When we have want food, that is our need, and after that when we want some different type of things as a food, that is our called our wants. Personal values and beliefs. When we want anything, as we have some brands, and with those brands our personal beliefs is included. This is included in this section. Cultural and cultural factor, as when we are living in a culture and living in a society, then different type of things depends, our consumers behavior depends upon the cultural and social factors. Emotional appeals. Sometimes we have different type of emotional appeals for that particular brand. And after that, product involvement, any consumer is involved in that product because that product fulfills the need of that particular consumer. So measuring and optimizing the consumer's buying process. And after that, when these type of procedure had been fulfilled, after that we want some buying behavior. When a consumer buying any type of product, this type of processes a consumer take, this type of steps a consumer take when he is decide to purchasing the any type of product. First is when a consumer decide he is going to purchase any type of product, then this type of behavior he shows over there. Firstly, stage one, problem recognition. When he is deciding he is going to take any type of product, at that point the consumer have the problem means the consumer had have to decide that that is need or want firstly. After that, when he is going to fulfill that particular of need, then price hits and brand mention value. Problem recognition, first a consumer have to decide which type of problems he or she have. Organic research, social media engagement, and first touch attribution sources. Information search, after that particular stage, in second stage, information search. Firstly, when he decide what is the problem and what type of product he have to purchase, after that he have to search for that particular product. Which type of product he have to purchase, or which type of color he have to purchase, which type of brand he have to search, and why different type of media he have to search that particular product. Evaluation of an alternative, when he decides this type of product he have to purchase. After that he in search the information also. After that he have or she have different type of alternatives, and he have to choose one product from those alternatives. Evaluation of alternatives, after that purchase decision. After the different in by different type of alternatives, he choose one product, and then in this stage he have to take the purchase decision, influenced by different type of factors. Close rates by sources, which type of sources he informed, which type of sources he a particular person was informed, sales cycle length, win loss analysis, etc. And after that, post purchase, when he purchase any particular product, after that post purchase decision ki which type of feedback a person, a consumer shows for that particular product. Thank you.